curb roller. Concrete is probably the most popular material in any construction. It's used to make foundations, floors, and walls. In addition, mixtures with cement are used for cladding. And of course, concrete is indispensable for road repair work. Therefore, every specialist knows that it's sometimes difficult to give this material the desired shape. The curb roller is a tool designed to solve this problem. It's a surprisingly functional, practical, and convenient machine for the production of curbstones. Previously, to create a perfectly smooth curb without sharp edges, it was necessary to hire a builder with wide experience in this field. With the curb roller, a person with minimal knowledge and experience can create a curb. Typically, concrete curb construction machines have a bulky design, while the curb roller is compact and mobile and weighs only 72 kilograms. In addition, it increases productivity on the construction site and saves time and money. Together with a curb roller, it's possible to obtain 28 replaceable drums for the manufacture of grooves and edges of different shapes. The manufacturer also offers the production of drums on demand. Nudura blocks. Traditionally, wooden molds are used in construction to form walls, foundations, and floor slabs. Their construction is simple and effective, but they are quite bulky and heavy. That is, they are not perfect. The American company Nudura offers an alternative solution: insulated concrete sandwich forms. Their main characteristic is that the material for the manufacture is polystyrene foam. The blocks are therefore lightweight and easy to transport from one place to another. In addition, they significantly expand the construction possibilities, as they can be easily changed in shape. The mold can be shortened at any time. The unnecessary part is simply cut and then removed. Today, different types of insulated concrete formwork are used in construction. For example, those seen on the screen have integrated steel framework. Another feature of this design is that, unlike the traditional one, it is not removed afterwards. Polystyrene foam blocks remain on the sides of the hardened mortar and serve as thermal insulators. It is important to specify that this permanent formwork does not support any structural loads. In summary, we can say that the use of these blocks accelerates the pace of construction, increases the structural strength of the buildings, and ensures a minimum production of debris at the construction site. Lego bricks. Lego bricks, as we know them today, appeared in 1949. Only recently, however, did construction companies decide to take advantage of their design. Today, Lego bricks that repeat the shape of original Lego pieces are becoming more and more popular all over the world. The difference between these and traditional bricks can be seen even with the naked eye. First of all, every component of the future wall has slots. It is their presence that gives the whole system very valuable advantages. These bricks stack on top of each other much more quickly and easily. At the same time, the strength of the construction is not affected. Another difference is the peculiarities of manufacture and material. Lego bricks are created through the hydropressure of a product created as a result of sizing crushed gravel through special sieves. These bricks don't need to be baked, which also reduces the cost of production. At any time, a hole can be made in the block to fix the structure with reinforcement steel. In addition, the strength is increased with a special solution, which is poured into the holes of the blocks in the construction process. This is how blocks of various shapes are produced. which can then be used to build even a rounded corner. ISORAD V2. If you need to create an underfloor heating by hot water, it's necessary to install a special layer of thermal insulation on the concrete base during the construction process. Today, there are several manufacturing technologies. The most effective and highest quality result is achieved with the use of polystyrene foam. These panels exclude the unwanted loss of heat and direct it upwards, directly to the heated floor surface. Pay attention to these cylindrical protrusions. Their height is about 20 to 25 millimeters. The cylinders are positioned in relation to each other in order to optimally fix the heating pipes. The workers simply place them between the protrusions. The video shows the thermal insulation panels produced by the Canadian company Isolofoam Group. The system is called ISORAD V2, and among other advantages has a very simple installation procedure. The panels have a kind of lock on each side, so that they just click into place. Gorilla Gripper. Perhaps the most common problem faced by workers is moving materials around the worksite. The fact is that they're often heavy and have uncomfortable shapes and sharp edges. You have to get the hang of it to be able to pick them up, and in the transportation process the person feels discomfort and sometimes even pain. Gorilla Gripper is a small and surprising device that can greatly simplify the work tasks of the builders. It is a clamp for transporting various materials in sheet. The Gorilla Gripper will allow you to easily and effortlessly lift the sheet of material and then move it to the right place. The clamp is designed to automatically adjust to the thickness of the material. If you look closely, you can see the rubber pad attached to the handle. It serves to protect the material from damage. There is also a rubber surface on the handle of the holder so as to not affect your hands during transportation. The manufacturer guarantees a firm grip on the panels, preventing them from falling out. In this way, even the most fragile and expensive materials can be transported with the device. The Gorilla Gripper is suitable for moving gypsum panels, chipboard, MDF, doors and worktops, and its price is $50. Brick cutting. The Dutch company Alrit BV manufactures various brick cutting equipment. A large number of models are available to meet the needs of various contractors and construction projects. The use of this equipment becomes indispensable in a wide variety of situations. For example, it's useful when building a wall, installing a furnace, carrying out lining work, or installing sidewalks. All of these tasks involve the use of bricks of special shapes and dimensions. Making these bricks on demand would be difficult, expensive and impractical. Therefore, standard size materials are cut to the required size. Previously, a pallet and a hammer were used to cut the bricks, but this method didn't allow for high precision cutting. The equipment shown on the screen doesn't have that disadvantage. The bricks are molded immediately, and there's no possibility of error, which also eliminates unnecessary construction waste. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.